The old-timey image of the country doctor conjures up feelings of nostalgia, respect, and dedication. Few are left who can recall that time.
My inspiration for becoming a physician was my parents. My father had 2 years of training at the University of Maryland in Baltimore, and that was typical of the country doctor. Well, he started practicing in 1884 and practiced a total of 77 years.
Dr. Graham co-founded the Country Doctor Museum with artifacts from her father's long career in medicine. The museum is dedicated to the doctors and nurses, dentists and pharmacists who served in North Carolina before and after the Civil War.
The country doctor had to go out almost every night. There was almost no time that they didn't have to be on the road, and most of them got very little rest. My own father started on horseback, and he said, "I'm sending you $25 to buy your books." And with the cost of one book today is $200 or $300, but at that time they were not expensive.
Original doctors and pharmacy offices are full of exhibit cases, antique furniture, and original instruments. And director Annie Anderson takes us around.
This is our Bringing Up Baby case, and during the time of country doctors, so many childhood illnesses led to the early death of many children and babies. And below, we have a really unique leather birthing harness. So this was used by a midwife. They go into the home and help a lady deliver a baby, and this harness was used to help the woman in labor to have leverage to deliver the baby.
This is what they dripped chloroform with to help ladies get through a delivery, or any other type of thing that you wanted to use for anesthesia.
This is our bloodletting case. Bloodletting was very common, and they thought by bloodletting they could manipulate the blood. Perhaps you had bad congested blood or too much, and they were trying to bring you back into a healthy balance. On display we have lots of instruments that were used for letting the blood, as well as medicinal leeches.
People didn't know about bacteria, viruses, and germs, and sanitation was very poor. Death common. Until Alexander Fleming discovered penicillium in 1928. Medical care was rudimentary and segregated, and many people still relied on traditional herbs and oils.
The museum is very important to the Lapis Health Sciences Library and to East Carolina University because we're able to connect our students in particular with the history of the healthcare professions that they are going to be the stewards of for many years to come.
With once eradicated diseases on the rise again, a visit to the Country Doctors Museum will inspire us all to appreciate today's new medical advances.
I hope that the museum can inspire young people to go into medicine.
The Country Doctor Museum is at 6642 Peel Road in Bailey. That's in Nash County, and their guided tours are on the hour from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday. For more information, give the museum a call at 252-235-4165 or go online to countrydoctormuseum.org.